Well done for completing the last module. It wasn't easy, but you got it done. Now, I want to take this opportunity to share with you some of the things that I've learned that I wish somebody had told me while I was learning programming and learning other things as well, in fact. And one of those things is the ability to get rid of distractions. Because let's face it, my phone probably has a million notifications. The other day, I almost fell down the stairs because a notification came on the Apple Watch and I was looking at it while I was going down the stairs and I actually missed a step. And these little moments of distraction, even though they seem like it's very quick to take a look at your phone, see what it's trying to tell you, and then get back to what you're doing, you won't believe how long it actually takes for you to get back into the same level of focus as you had before. In fact, some scientists actually did a study on this, and they showed that for a distraction that is as short as 1 minute, let's say somebody asking you, hey, do you want a cup of tea? I'll make you one. And you say, yeah, sure. And then you get back to your work. For some people, it can take up to 25 minutes to be able to get back to the level of focus that they had before. So a really, really useful thing is when I start working, I put my phone into airplane mode and I put it into a drawer because every time I see it, I want to touch it. It's like some sort of weird spell it's got on me. So I put it away and it doesn't bother me, it doesn't make noises. And maybe other people will have emergencies, but there's always other ways that people can reach you. So get rid of your distractions. It might not be the phone, it might be you need to shut yourself in a room so that other people don't distract you. Or it might be that you need to find a quiet time when you can actually do this, like early in the morning or late in the evening. But see how you can remove those distractions and see your level of focus go up and see how much more you're able to do. So I hope that was helpful, and I've got plenty more of these for you coming along the way. So keep going.